Curious about what websites you've visited recently? Or maybe you just need to find that article you read last week? In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to view your browsing history in Google Chrome. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to easily access your Chrome history, but you'll also feel confident navigating it and retrieving any page you need, whether it's for work, study, or just revisiting an old favorite. Let's dive right in. First things first, start by opening your Google Chrome browser. If you're like most people, you probably already have Chrome open. But if not, go ahead and launch it. You'll want to be on Chrome's main window, just the regular home screen or any tab you're currently working on. Sometimes it helps to make sure you're on the window where you've done your recent browsing, especially if you use multiple Chrome profiles or different devices. Once you're in Chrome, look up toward the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see an icon that looks like three little dots, stacked vertically. This is often referred to as the More or Menu button. Give that a click. It's your gateway to all kinds of settings and tools inside Chrome. Now, I know these menus can feel a bit overwhelming at first since there are a lot of options, but don't worry. We're going to zoom in on just what we need. After clicking the three dots, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. One of the options you'll find here is History. Depending on your Chrome version, it might be a little further down the list. So just scroll if needed and select History. Selecting this will reveal another small side menu. Your browser likes to make sure you really want to check out your history before opening it up. Now, from this side menu, click on History again. This will bring up a full page showing all of your browsing activity listed chronologically. If you're in more of a hurry, here's a quick tip. You can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+H on Windows or Command+A on Mac to jump straight to your history page. It's especially handy if you're a fan of keeping your hands on the keyboard. Give it a moment to load. Sometimes, if you have a lot of sites in your history, it can take a few seconds. What you'll see is a detailed timeline of all the sites you've visited, organized by day and time. Each entry here is clickable, so if you spot the page you wanted to revisit, just click it, and you'll go right back to where you left off. This page is incredibly useful, not just for finding lost articles or videos, but also for backtracking when you need to reference something you read earlier. If you notice your history is empty or missing some entries, don't worry. This can sometimes happen if you were browsing in incognito mode, which doesn't save history at all. Or maybe you've cleared your browsing data recently. If that's the case, you might just need to double-check how you're browsing in the future. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to easily access your browsing history in Chrome whenever you need it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or need more tips about using Chrome or any other browser, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.